Hello friends, welcome to Laxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this tutorial, I will show you how to enable the new Xbox game mode in Windows 11. First, you need to download and install the latest Windows 11 update from the official update channel. Check your Windows update. If any updates are available, please install it and restart the system. The next step is to install the Xbox on PC application from its official website. Links are given in the description box. Download and install this Xbox app on your PC. After installing, log in with your Microsoft account and create a profile in the Xbox app. Then enable the options you want. If you want to go directly to the Xbox app while logging into your PC, then enable the first option. The second step is to install the Vive tool from GitHub. Download and extract the folder. Then open the command prompt with admin privileges. And type the following commands, shown in the video right now. The hidden feature is the name of the extracted folder. You can replace the folder name with your own. The third step is to update the Xbox and its related app from the official Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store and click on the Downloads options. Then search for any Xbox and its related apps and update them. Please wait to finish the update process, and after completing, restart the system. Then again, open the command prompt as administrator and enter the following commands with the ID codes. Then restart the system. After restarting, open the Xbox app. Here is your Xbox mode. Now you can play Xbox games in your PC, and you can also stream, play online, etc. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.